A share value equivalent to $4.3007 a coin. The present reach: $4.2615, $4.3146. The earlier day close: $4.2854. The change was plus 0.0153, plus 0.36%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.58. Most extreme cost $4.81, least cost $3.56. The normal for the month $4.25. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.06, change for October 11.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.06. Greatest cost $4.45, least cost $3.54. The normal for the month $3.98. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.85, change for November 5.2%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $3.85. Greatest cost $4.04, least cost $3.52. The normal for the month $3.80. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.78, change for December 1.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.78. Most extreme cost $3.78, least cost $2.96. The normal for the month $3.43. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.18, change for January 15.9%. Share cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.18. Most extreme cost $3.43, least cost $2.99. The normal for the month $3.20. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.21, change for February 0.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.21. Greatest cost $3.21, least cost $2.59. The normal for the month $2.95. The share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.79, change for spring 13.1%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.79. Greatest cost $2.79, least cost $2.25. The normal for the month $2.56. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.42, change for April 13.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $2.42. Most extreme cost $2.44, least cost $2.12. The normal for the month $2.32. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.28, change for May 5.8%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $2.28. Most extreme cost $2.28, least cost $1.86. The normal for the month $2.11. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2, change for June 12.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.00. Greatest cost $2, least cost $1.63. The normal for the month $1.85. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.75, change for July 12.5%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1.75. Greatest cost $2.17, least cost $1.75. The normal for the month $1.93. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.03, change for August 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $2.03. Most extreme cost $2.03, least cost $1.63. The normal for the month $1.86. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.75, change for September 13.8%. Axie cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.75. Greatest cost $1.75, least cost $1.37. The normal for the month $1.59. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $1.47, change for October 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $2.25. Most extreme cost $2.79, least cost $2.25. The normal for the month $2.48. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.61, change for December 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $2.61. Most extreme cost $2.61, least cost $2.04. The normal for the month $2.36. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.19, change for January 16.1%. Axie cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $2.19. Greatest cost $2.19, least cost $1.86. The normal for the month $2.06. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2, change for February 8.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $2.00. Most extreme cost $2.48, least cost $2. The normal for the month $2.20. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.32, change for spring 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $2.32. Greatest cost $2.35, least cost $2.05. The normal for the month $2.23. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.20, change for April 5.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $2.20. Greatest cost $2.20, least cost $1.72. The normal for the month $1.99. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $1.85, change for May 15.9%. Axie cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $1.85. Most extreme cost $2.18, least cost $1.85. The normal for the month $1.98. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.04, change for June 10.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. At the outset cost at $2.0.